Ipanema Beach, located in the vibrant city of Rio de Janeiro, is a world-famous destination that attracts tourists from all corners of the globe. Famous for its stunning scenery and vibrant atmosphere, Ipanema Beach offers visitors a truly unforgettable experience. Stretching approximately 2 kilometers along the coast, Ipanema Beach boasts golden sand, crystal clear water and breathtaking views of the surrounding mountains. Its picturesque location creates the perfect setting for sunbathing, beach sports or just a leisurely stroll along the coastline. The beauty of Ipanema Beach lies not only in its natural surroundings, but also in its lively atmosphere. The beach is home to trendy bars, restaurants and stores that cater to locals and tourists alike. Visitors can enjoy delicious Brazilian cuisine, shop for unique souvenirs, or simply immerse themselves in the energetic atmosphere that permeates this lively beach. For those looking for outdoor activities, Ipanema Beach offers a wide range of options. From beach volleyball to surfing, there are plenty of opportunities to engage in exciting water sports or simply enjoy a leisurely stroll along the shoreline. Ipanema Beach has become synonymous with Brazilian culture and is known for its lively atmosphere. The beach attracts a diverse crowd of locals and tourists from all over the world, creating a vibrant melting pot of cultures. Whether you want to relax under the warm Brazilian sun or immerse yourself in the energetic atmosphere of Rio de Janeiro's beaches, Ipanema Beach is an essential stop on any travel itinerary. With its stunning scenery and vibrant tourist industry, it continues to capture the hearts of all who visit.